I put a bunch of stuff in the laundry, but I forgot to put it in the dryer. So here we are, and I made pigs in a blanket. I still gotta bake them. So let's start from the beginning. Tonight's the party, and I can't find any pants because they're all in the wash. And so I dug out a pair of jeans, but they're too small. So this adjustment to my jeans takes about maybe half hour. The first thing I do is I put on my pants. Then I take scissors. Fabric only, because if you use my scissors on anything other than fabric,
I will find you.
You cut paper with your fabric scissors, they're never going to cut anything again. I basically cut them off myself. Like, I figure out where the tight spots are and I cut holes there. And then I put patches over those holes. So yeah, just put a patch over the area where you need a little extra space. It makes perfect sense. Also, it saves you a lot of cents. I got this from an old leather jacket that I cut apart. People always tell me, oh, I figured they just came that way. They're like, those look awesome. I made these. I love these earrings. I just wanna be with you. 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 Yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night. Forget my problems. I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. Said you feel the same, but I don't believe a word you say, 'cause I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just wanna be. Wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night. Forget my problems. I might go insane. I don't really give a. Well, now I have a pair of pants to wear to the party tonight. I had to come up with something to wear, and my only other jeans that I felt like wearing were also in the wash. And you will find out, little girls, that when you grow up, ever since I've become a middle-aged woman, your body changes and you can no longer wear the same stuff. I mean, your shape changes. You can fight it. You can stop eating cheese and meat and become vegan and drive a Prius or whatever you want. But your pants might still not fit. Or you can just be happy and do what you want. This party, my friend who lives kind of close to me, she lives in the rich neighborhood, and she's got a bunch of people coming over, some who sell things and some who buy things, and we're having a little party. It's all for now. Now you know it.